Doggy Killer 410 here. We have ourselves a special guest today. And as you can see, you can tell what this is.
Dun 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 dun, Myla!
Dun, 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 dun.
It's our lovely dog. And she can just sit, Myla, sit.
Sit, Myla.
Sit.
Now
Sit.
shake. Good girl. Other paw. Good girl. Knee down. Knee down. Roll over.
She doesn't know how to roll over. She only knows how to go sideways. But she's still a good girl. Myla! Augie, throw it, throw it, throw it.
Okay, now. Yep.
Quick it.
Go get.
It's fun to play with her. She always lips when she gets it right.
Yes.
And this is Gaminbro here. I'm recording for him. You see? Myla, throw. Get out, Auden. So come. You want it? Annika, tell her. Augie, get out of the sun. Switch sides.
Okay.
More better.
Okay. Okay. She tears that thing up. Well, now you guys have seen it. This is our canine dog.
Okay, 9.
And anyways, this is it for our video.
Augie.
Thank you for seeing my dog. And we'll see you later. Augie Florida out.